Guards are an important safety barrier for the edges of elevated decks and stairs. The deck's guard posts are the vertical members along the open sides from which the guardrails and infill are supported. The guard post-to-deck framing connection is critical when it comes to deck safety. In order to provide the required 200-pound load resistance at the top, the post must be fastened to both the rim joist and the joist framing. Otherwise, a deck will not typically meet the performance requirements of the building code. Post heights can be either 36 inches or 42 inches depending on whether your building is residential or commercial, or if local code requires a 42-inch railing. The higher the railing, the more leverage needs to be resisted where the post meets the deck. When selecting connectors, fasteners, and anchors, it's important to consider the corrosiveness of your environment, as well as the type of treated lumber and metal you're using. Use hardware that meets the corrosion resistance needed, and always choose light metals. For example, with stainless steel connectors, use stainless steel fasteners. 4x4 wood guard posts can be attached to the deck frame on the outside or the inside of the rim joist, depending on your design. If your post is on the outside and aligned with the deck joist, a deck tension tie like the DTT2Z is a great option for making the connection. When the post doesn't line up with the joist, you'll need to create a secure connection using blocking and tension ties at each end. If your railing is 42 inches high, use a heavier tension tie like the HTT4. Blocking, however, may still be required. For decks designed with posts on the inside of the rim joist, secure post to rim and deck joist with blocking and SDWS timber screws. The DTT2Z is also an option. Our project uses the Trex guard system. However, the guard post supports were built with 4x4 wood posts. SDWS timber screws were used to fasten the post to the wood framing. The flat screw heads allow for a flush outer surface, which provide the added bonus of making for easy fascia board installation. Those are the basic steps for constructing strong, safe, guard post to deck framing connections. But before working on your own deck, be sure to check your local building code, or consult an engineer or general contractor. To learn more about other critical deck connections and how to make them stronger, watch the full Simpson Strong Tie Stronger Deck series.